Many bumper covers are thrown away simply because the tabs are broken out. These are very simple to repair with the airless plastic welder. The first step is to grind away some plastic using an abrasive disc on a right-angle drill. Make sure to grind at a slow speed to avoid melting the plastic. Grind the plastic on the opposite side as well. Cut a piece of the stainless steel reinforcing mesh to the width of the tab. Make the length of the mesh twice the length of the tab. Fold the mesh in half and wrap the mesh around the tab. The mesh is what we will use to build our new tab. Bury the mesh into the plastic using the airless plastic welder. Do not apply excessive pressure. Instead, allow the heat from the welder to soften the plastic before applying pressure. While the plastic is still hot, the mesh will sometimes spring back out of the plastic. You may need to hold the mesh under the plastic until it cools off. Here, we are using the welder stand to hold the mesh down until the plastic cools. FiberFlex will not stick well to a glossy surface. Knock down the gloss with sandpaper. Apply the FiberFlex by pre-melting one side of the rod, then flip the rod over so that the melted portion sticks, and then use the edge of the welder tip to cut off the melted part of the rod. Don't just lay the FiberFlex on top of the mesh. Instead, push some of the FiberFlex through the mesh. Continue applying FiberFlex until the mesh is completely covered. Apply FiberFlex to the opposite side of the tab. Continue to apply FiberFlex until the mesh is completely covered. Use grinders and sanders to smooth and contour the tab to the proper shape. The final step is to drill the hole. First, measure the hole location from an existing tab to ensure that the hole is drilled in the proper location.